तो प्यारे बच्चों, तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे एट द रेलवे स्टेशन। नंबर 1 इज इंजन, नंबर 2 पैसेंजर ट्रेन, नंबर 3 गार्ड, नंबर 4 इंडिकेटर, नंबर 5 पैसेंजर्स, नंबर 6 बुक स्टॉल, नंबर 7 porter, number 8 clock, number 9 luggage, number 10 bench, number 11 food stall, and number 12 is ticket checker. Now turn to question answer. Question 1 is, what is a railway station? Answer is, a railway station is a place where train stop for passenger to get on and get off. Question 2. Which trains do we see at the railway stations? Answer is, we see local trains that run within the city and long distance trains that run from one city to another. Question 3. What is porter also called? Answer is, a porter is also called a coolie. Question 4. How do porters or coolies help us? Answer is, porters or coolies help us by carrying our luggage. Question 5. Who drives the train? Answer is, the motorman drives the train. थैंक यू बच्चों। सेल्फ स्टडीज को लाइक करें, चैनल पर नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें। टेक केयर।